Hello guys, welcome to back my channel. Today I am here with a new magic trick. This magic trick can make you expert and a good speaker. So my dear friend, every company or every policy always try to upgrade or update in their life. So we have to upgrade and update in our daily life. When we will update or upgrade in our life, so automatically we will change a lot of things. A simple change can your life change every way. My dear friend, so I hope you want to know about magic tree. What is the magic tree? My dear friend, be patient. I will share with you all things. So magic trick means you have to talk with yourself if you want to become a public speaker or English speaker. So my dear friend, then you will ask me how will I practice with myself? Just relax. Relax. I will here with you. I will share all things one by one, step by step. My dear friend, ask one question. There is no limitation, there is no topic. Just choose for yourself what is easy for you. Just try to ask one question. After that, try to give the answer. So it will help you more and more. So it is the topic according to self-talk. For this, you not need any kind of friend, any kind of stage, any kind of program. Just you and your mobile is enough. When you will try to apply this method automatically, you will find a good result within a few days. It is very and very good. So my dear friend, now I am going to ask one question to myself. Very normal question. How was my day? So my dear friend, early morning I got up 5:30. First of all, I thankful my Allah. Allah gave us a new life, a new journey because sleep as a death. So after that, I also used some affirmative sentence means I am energetic, I am happy, I am strong, I have a disease-free body, and I am very genius. This kind of sentence give us a more happiness, more energy. After that, I complete my human need. After that, I complete my morning prayer. Morning prayer, all prayer is more necessary and must be because it is the order of God. When we will follow the order of God, automatically we will find a spiritual mind or soul. It is necessary for human being. We should pray the God because God created us with a reason for a ambition overall. After that, I went playground and I like to exercise. Morning exercise give us more energy, fresh mind, energy, and also give protect us from disease. It is most important for everyone. When I went there, according to my choice, I like to run, jumping, and basic exercise. Until 40 minutes, I did it. When I completed my morning exercise, I came back my room and I want to take bath. But before taking bath, I rested few minutes and before going bathroom, I boiled gram. Because in morning time, in my breakfast, I would like to take some cream, banana, milk or dry food. I don't like any kind of junk food means paratha, puri, and hotel food. This is totally junk. There is no vitamin for health. Whenever I completed my take bath, after that I took my breakfast and I dressed up for going college. Today And today, when I was going my college, somebody was calling me, stop, stop, stop. When I saw is my friend. I stopped and we met together and we was going and talking each other. When I reached college, I entered my classroom and I attended all classes. Our professor one by one came as per routine and they gave us more and brief and deep knowledge about our syllabus. Our teachers also have some quality. Someone like fun during the teaching. They give us lesson as a humorous way. They like fun. Students also like them because students also like knowledge and humor or fun. But some teachers, they are totally far from humor or fun. They always deliver knowledge. Sometimes we also feel boring, but we can't do anything because it is the nature, or we can't change the nature of teachers. When I completed my morning sheet classes. Then I came my dining hall and I took food. There was today vegetable, pulse and rice, some salad. When I came back my room and I rested few minutes. After that, before going to again my college, I completed my non-prayer and I went college and I attended remind classes. It is about my college. When I came back evening time from my college, so I took my mobile and I used Zostalk app. I have Zostalk subscription, so whenever I am free and by every day as per my routine, I try to use Zostalk app because there is a friend always available. Very easily I can find a friend for talking. Speaking, it is my daily routine. I have to talk in English with my parents. So, as per my time or routine, I also talk with my some new friends. And during our call, we also enjoy as a fun, as a knowledge. We also introduce each other and many more things. As how I completed my speaking hours. My dear friend, in the evening time, I took a tea with some biscuits. After that, I start my again study. So it is about my day. So I also share with you a very common or basic topic. Doesn't matter which type of topic do you choose yourself. It's matter for you how do you define or describe or loudly speak or no. My dear friend, just apply this method or trick. When you will try to apply this method or trick, one day you will become an expert and good speaker, because those are expert or good speaker, they are not from birth a good speaker. They also learn, they also mistake, and they also upgrade or update their journey. Every journey is not so easy. Every journey has a some requirement. You have to fulfill the need of journey. When you will complete your need of journey, so automatically you will be the player of this field and you will be an expert. My dear friend, I completed my part and now it is your turn. Just stop my video and try to speak, ask question and give the answer according to your choice. I don't like to force you. You have to speak on this topic. No, lot of topic. They you went somewhere, you bought some things, you ate some things, you talk with someone. So whatever you did in all day, just try to recall or remember and try to give the answer. And which type of things and activity did you do whole day? When you will do this, automatically you will find good confidence and good practice. In English journey, two things is most important. One is practice, another is confidence. Both is necessary. Without one, your journey is totally uncompleted. My dear friend, for today it is enough. Tomorrow we will meet with a new topic. So share, comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my video.